Maarten van Benschop, and hello, Barbara. Can you tell something about SME GMAX 3D and your relation with that SME?
So I'm Barbara Zavan, Associate Professor at the University of Ferrara. I work with biomaterials, mainly on clinical application, and with GMAX, we work in order to develop novel polymers to be printed with 3D printing and with additive manufacturing. We obtain novel surfaces with microcapillary that are able to avoid the condensation of the droplet, and with a huge antimicrobial and antiviral, mainly against SARS-CoV-2 properties. We had the possibility to use the BLS3 rooms, that are the rooms deputed to the COVID virus application, and we can perform all the tests in order to certificate that our polymers is against COVID.
Okay, can you tell me how much does that new material reduce the amount of viruses?
From 30 to 60% less compared to the other materials, thanks to these graphene properties.
Okay, great. And when do you think you can really bring this to the market? Is that already soon?
We think about from 4 to 6 months.
Okay, because what kind of steps do you have to do in the next half year?
We want to have the last certification, and we want to perform other combination in order to play and to have a final object with different mechanical properties, so we can increase the possibility of application of this polymer.
Okay. You have different ideas of different products, as I understand. Also, yeah, something just for a door opening or...
Yes, for door opening, for driving, but also the touch screen, because also the ATMs, when we play, to also to buy the ticket for the train or for the bus. So because these are very thin surfaces, and we work to play also to transform this in transparent option, so we can play and we can put in all the surface that we want.
Okay, so you are planning well. GMAX 3D wants to sell the printer, and you developed the material to use with it.
Every single novel results that confirm our results is a success for us, and we can tell, okay, this material is good, this not. We can cut, how to say, the bad project, and we can go fast only with the materials that works. So for sure, we hope that AMable can produce other possibility, because we have a lot of idea, but we have also a lot of good preliminary results, a lot of good prototype, and we hope to work with you with this project in the future.
Okay, thank you very much, and much of success in the future.
Thanks
Thank you, Barbara.
Thank you. We hope to see you again in the future. Thanks.
Thank you.